Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you how you can activate Quick Launch. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find additional settings, and then go for the gesture shortcuts. And we got a few options to use this feature. We got the double tap fingerprint sensor, double press power button, or double press volume down button. For example, we are going to set it up for the two options. Let's choose turn on torch when I double press the power button, and also go for the double tap fingerprint sensor, and let's open the calculator and take a look right now. When I double press the sensor, just like that, okay, a little bit stronger, the calculator will be opened, and when I double click the power button, the torch is activated. And also it's called the flashlight. If I want to turn it off, just make it the same. So as you can see, we have to make it very quick. And it works. And the same with the double tap power fingerprint sensor to open the calculator. So take a look. There is open. Let's make it another time. And that's how it works. So that's how we can activate these features. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.